Should you wait to buy or sell? I'm Marie Manifold with Bella Properties, Inc. Let's talk about the big question on everybody's mind right now. Should you wait to buy or sell your home? Because here's the truth. Waiting might actually cost you more money than what you think. In today's video, we're breaking down the current real estate market. What's happening with the economy? Everyone's asking. Interest rates and history show you why waiting rarely pays off for buyers and sellers today. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. Let's start with where things stand right now. Across the country, home prices are still showing small year-over-year gains, around 1.5% according to Redfin. At the same time, inventory is slowly increasing, which means buyers have more options than they did a year ago. We're not in a crazy boom like 2021, but we're also not in a crash. Experts predict home prices will continue to rise modestly, somewhere around 2 to 3% this year. That tells us the market is stable, not dropping. So, whether you're buying or selling, timing and strategy matter more than ever. Now, let's talk about what's driving the market: the economy and interest rates. The Federal Reserve expects lower economic growth in 2025, around 1.5% GDP. That's modest, not recession territory, but not booming either. And inflation, still sticky. That's why mortgage rates are hovering around mid-6% range, about 6.3% as of this month. We might see slight relief by the end of the year, maybe closer to 6.0 flat. But most experts agree we won't see the super low 3% rates ever again. That was historically low. And here's something important. Even a small drop in rates, like 0.5%, can flood the market with buyers and drive prices way back up. That's why many experts say, if you can buy now, don't wait for the perfect rate, because when that day arrives, everyone else will be buying too. Let's look at the bigger picture, because real estate is all about long game. Over and over history shows that waiting really wins. When prices dip, rates often rise, and your monthly payment ends up being the same or higher. In 2018, for example, home prices leveled off for a few months, but mortgage rates jumped almost a full %. Anyone who waited for the rates to drop ended up paying more for the same home. Here's another truth. Time in the market beats timing the market. Real estate builds wealth through equity and appreciation over time. The longer you wait, the longer you delay building that equity. And if you're selling, your timing matters too. When inventory rises, competition grows, and that window to command top dollar can close really fast. So, the idea of waiting for the market to get better, it sounds safe, but in reality, it's often a missed opportunity. Why does it make sense to act right now? Well, let's break it down. For sellers, inventory is increasing. That means more competition on the market. Right now, motivated buyers are still out there shopping. If you list strategically with the right price, staging, and marketing, you can still sell for premium prices before the market shifts further towards balance. For buyers, if you wait for rates to drop, prices will go up. So yes, your monthly payment could actually end up higher. Buying now lets you lock in a home. And when rates drop later, you can refinance and lower your payment. And remember, when everyone else jumps back in, you'll already own your home, not compete for it. For investors, inflation actually benefits real estate over time. As prices rise, your property values grow while your fixed mortgage payment stays the same. That's how wealth is built, by letting time do the work. So, what's the right move right now? Here's your quick game. Step 1, get clear on your goals and timeline. Are you moving for lifestyle or investment or opportunity? That shapes your entire strategy. Step 2, if you're a buyer, get pre-approved. It shows sellers that you're serious and it locks you in your rate before it changes. Step 3, if you're a seller, get your home market ready. A staged and well-priced home sells up to 20% faster than an unstaged one. Step 4, partner with an agent who knows the data, understands the trends, and can read the story behind the numbers. And finally, don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Real estate rewards actions, not hesitation. Here's the bottom line. You can't control rates. You can't control the economy, but you can control your own decisions. Waiting is a gamble, but acting strategically now puts you in control. So whether you're thinking of buying, selling, or just exploring your options, let's talk. I'm Marie Manifold with Bella Properties, Inc., and my goal is to help you make a confident, informed decision in today's market. Reach out and I'll walk you through the strategy that is best for you. Whether you're ready right now or just planning ahead, and if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And please share this video with someone who is still waiting for the perfect time. Because in real estate, the perfect time is when you are ready to move forward. I'm Marie Manifold, and I'll see you in the next video.